Welcome back to our YouTube channel for Coolant Filtration as well as industrial oil purification systems. Today we are talking about the best one, Coolant Purification system, which is used in all machining centers. Wherever your machining centers, आपका coolant होता है, whether it's quick or it is laser or it is any coolant, उसकी paste level होती है. After the paste level exceeded or decreased, you have to change that coolant. What we want to do is we want to save your coolant life, to give you longer lasting coolants and savings. For that, we have the best one coolant purification system, which can be used on different tanks to remove tramp oil, sludge, kill bacteria, and remove any sort of contamination जो आपके coolant में है. इसके साथ आपकी coolant की life बहुत बढ़ेगी. So this system is an online system which requires no electric power, very little electric power, and mostly pneumatic connection. So the pneumatic connection has a pneumatic pump inside and an electrical power. The unit is a very compact and sturdy unit and can be used around your plant on your shop floor. To show you how that works, I will show you the unit. Has an inlet pipe here which will go into your tank. Oil will come into this inlet unit and go through the filter chamber into the holding tank. The filter will collect all contamination and sludge which has to be cleaned. After it goes into the tank has an oil skimmer which is rotating inside. The skimmer will remove all contamination into this chamber, with all tramp oil being removed back out. What we also ensure is pH monitoring. We always want to ensure that your pH level is being maintained, for which we have an online pH monitor. This will let you know whether to change your oil or maintain it, or your coolants. The system is very easy to maneuver and can be rotated around your tanks on any trolley. This is continuous monitoring. We provide you spares along with this unit. We have calibration devices. Calibration devices will be used to ensure that your pH level is always on exact requirement. We provide you a spare bed, extra filter component, and spanner. After this, we'll show you a live demo of the unit being used at a shop floor. Please do watch that and subscribe to our video channel. Thank you.